time, and today's video is a surprise. I will be sharing with you guys lots of secrets and tips how to make a juicy and flavorful Italian meatballs with spaghetti and marinara sauce. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell to be a part of notifications. 350 grams of beef, 2 onions, black pepper, paprika powder, salt, flour, a large egg, a glass of milk, parmesan cheese, 5 garlics, 2 slices of bread, parsley, tomato paste, and spaghetti.
A few minutes later.
When the breads are soft enough, mash it up with a fork until you get a paste just like this.